Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for May. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly see what this particular month has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you Aquarius is the Justice card. You have the Seven of Pentacles and you have the King of Swords. The person has the Empress card, the Fool card, and the Seven of Wands. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck, we have the Eight of Cups. So either you or your person walked away because maybe the situation was something that you did not like or this person did not like, and so somebody walked away. Okay, now what I'm seeing here Aquarius is you have the Justice card. With that you could go ahead and get justice in the situation. So if there was some unjust thing that was done to you or something that was wrong, something that was just not correct and that was something that you had to bear, that will be corrected. When the Justice card comes in, it means that that's nature's way of correcting something that was unjust, something that was wrongly done, that is what gets corrected. Now in order to get that justice, you also understand that you will have to have a lot of patience. With the Seven of Pentacles card, it means that patience is required at your end. You can't rush in, you can't go ahead and expect that things will happen for you overnight. Now the next card that I see is the King of Swords energy. With that you also expect this person to go ahead and tell you things honestly. So there's some kind of honesty, some kind of conversation that you're expecting from this person, that in case if there were secrets, you will go ahead and get that information from the horse's mouth. That's what you are expecting from them. Now what I see for your person is they have the Empress card. With that energy, this person is a catch. This person is a catch, and this person also knows that about themselves, that they are a catch, because the Empress is somebody who is above all the queens and has the qualities of all the four queens. So this person knows that a lot of people vie for their attention. Now in some cases, Empress also means fertility, pregnancy. That could also be for some of you. Alright, now this person is going to move into a new direction. With this Fool card, it's the Aries energy. So either you could be dealing with an Aries, or this person will eventually move into this energy where they will take a big leap of faith and move in a different direction, because currently they are under a lot of stress, because things are just not working out between the two of you, or there could be secrets. Now what I see as a mutual feeling both of you have is Seven of Cups, which means that both of you are entertaining a lot of other people. It's not just you, it's not just them, it's the mutual feeling between both of you. Now what I see, the blockage in the relationship is the Knight of Pentacles, which means that nobody is willing to rush in and tell the other person that they have feelings. That's the problem that I see in this relationship. What is the outcome in the relationship is the Magician card. With that, you want to go ahead and command all the four elements of the universe to go ahead and work in your favor. So that's the infinity symbol, and sitting on that infinity symbol, the Magician goes ahead and orders the world and the four elements that this is what I want. Go ahead and ensure that the spell happens for them, and it works in their favor. Now let's go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this month. So the first one that I see is the Moon card. With the Moon energy, there could be secrets. Either you are hiding some secrets, or this person has secrets and you're not aware of it. The next one that I see is your own card, Aquarius. That's the Star card. That's the Aquarius energy. So you feel that this person is your wish fulfillment, or this other person feels that you are their wish fulfillment. Now what I also see is the Strength card. That's the Leo energy. So either you or your person could also be dealing with a Leo in some cases. There's a lot of strength that will be required, because maybe once this Moon energy goes, you will get to know whatever is the secret, and at that point in time you will just go ahead and try to reevaluate this relationship to see, is this somebody who's really your wish fulfillment or not. So you'll go ahead and reassess this entire relationship again. Now let's go ahead and take one card, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see is golden calcite. The crystal message is, do you feel like you are fulfilling your soul purpose? Do you know what your strengths are? It is time to become the person you are meant to be. Align yourself with a strong sense of self and actualize your full potential. Live up to your dreams, desires and contracts and radiate your excellence. Now the message here from Archangel Ariel, I'll put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. That's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.